Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Inspector. In this video, we are going to take a look at UBEX ICO. So guys, the digital advertising market has been actively growing for the last 4 years. The size has exceeded the size of the television segment in 2017. This is a historic event for the advertising market. One of the most promising segment of digital advertising is programmatic advertising, which shows an average annual growth rate of more than 23% against 4% growth rate of non-programmatic segments. According to the forecast of Magna Global, the market size of advertising software will reach 335 billion by 2020. And UBEX proposed to solve these problems by combining all the advantages of programmatic technologies, neural networks, and smart contracts in a single system. Through this approach, UBEX provided transitions from the traditional pay-per-click schemes to the payment for targeted actions, which is the most fair and interesting module for all marketing participants. The mission of UBEX is to create a global advertising economy with a high level of mutual trust and maximum efficiency. Now guys, what problems does UBEX seeks to solve in this current scenario? Now, UBEX believes users, advertisers, and publishers are the three participants in the global advertising ecosystem. Now, they are facing various problems with today's advertising system, like users are facing irrelevant or annoying advertisement. Sometimes you are opening a tab, some window pop-up comes up, do you want this, do you want that, click here, click right there, this kind of stuff. Now, second is the overpayment for products and services, because due to multiple third parties and the high commissions. And there are others like high risk due to the use of different black hat advertising methods by scammers. For advertisers, the current market problems is like the uncertainty for achieving results, as advertisers are forced to pay for the click and display ads without a guarantee of actual sales. If you use Google, you have to pay per click, whether the user take any actions or not. Also, there are difficulty in figuring out all available advertising channels, leading to higher overhead expense and the need to hire additional stuff. Also, you are facing like inefficiency and ineffectiveness in certain advertising channels, and you will realize when you actually spend the budget. And for publishers, there are some problems like publishers are struggle to find advertisers to fill their advertising slots. If you run a blog, you probably know that the low earning, because of the inability to forecast future payments from the advertising. Also, there are problems like payment delays and non-payment for dishonest and low quality advertisers. Now, UBEX believes it can solve all these problems by using a decentralized advertising network. Let's take a closer look how it works. The UBEX platform will provide ample opportunities not only to the publishers and advertisers, but also to companies that need regression analysis of user data. The system's neural core, which is responsible for making decisions at all stages of the life cycle of the advertising material. They will have an API, access to which can be provided to partners companies. Also, the behavioral decision making blockchain allows one to evaluate user data and make a judgment about the perceived interest of the user. Now, this regression estimate can only be used not only on display advertising materials but for the other purposes as well. The API will provide an opportunity to retrieve a list of expected categories with an estimated for each based on a query with user data. Training the system core to obtain relevant and accurate focus is a laborious process. In this regard, the platform will provide the ability of adding statistic data to the site user actions, which can be used as a training sample for the system cores, and the site owners who provided data will receive a reward for contribution for their data to the system core. These actions are similar to mining. Users are rewarded for labor-intensive work, which is the providing statistical data for the formation of a training sample. Now guys, as you can see, this is their demo, and there are lots of options for there is a dashboard option, there is a profile options, and you can see for advertiser, for publishers and apps, your balance, etc. So if you go to the advertisers tab, there are few options. You can create campaigns, there are budgets option, campaign section. As you can see, there is a name, currency, revenue, sales, cost of sales, cost per order, and the conversion rates and stuff like that. As you can see, this is going to be huge, guys. This is going to be huge for the advertising industry. If you are an advertiser, you can set up and run campaigns in a few clicks. Also, if you are a publisher, then as you can see, there are a few options, data mining, tokenize ad space, and join the UBEX network. So as I said earlier, for the data mining, if you have a website and you can install specific special tracking pixel that will use for advertising services, we will collect data like Google and Facebook to show more relevant ad to customers. You can start earning from this. Also, you can tokenize the ad slot in your site and get UBEX tokens. Also, you can become a publisher on the UBEX network and start earning. So this platform gives you ability to do all these things with in your fingertips. Now guys, if you talk about the token sale details, the UBEX is currently ERC20 token, and there are total 4 billion UBEX tokens, and the hard cap of this project is 24,000 Ethereum, and the soft cap of this project is 4,000 Ethereum. Now the cost of one UBEX is 0.000001 Ethereum. It's in USD, it's cost like 0.0046 or something like that. So there will be a bonus system, but I don't think you will get any bonus if you purchase right now, because the token sale will end on 13 August. The one plus point I see, they didn't have any pre-sale or private sale. Also, there will be a KYC, which is obvious. You can purchase UBEX tokens by BTC, Ethereum, or LTC. Now guys, if we take a look at the token distributions, as I said earlier, there will be 4 billion UBEX tokens, and out of 4 billion tokens, 72% is for the distributed to the community, 15% is for the team and advisors with a 1-year lockup, and 10% is for the reserve, and 3% is for the bounty, which is also 1 month lockup. And if you talk about the fund allocation, 30% is for the product development, 22% is for the marketing and partnerships, 18% is for the business development, 14% is for the management, 10% is for the operational, and 6% is for the legal purposes. Now guys, if we take a look at the timeline here, the 13 August the token sale will end, and the distribution of the token will held in the same time, and 20th August they will list on the exchange. So now guys, if we take a look at the roadmap over here, on August 2018, launch of the desktop and mobile alpha version of the publisher applications, and October 2018, the development of the system national core prototype and initial training for neural networks. On November 2018, introducing the smart contracts. On December 2018, introducing an API prototype for sharing training data. On January 2019, launch of the beta version, and March 2019, release of the initial version of applications and smart contracts. Also, as you can see, this is their advisor teams. They have a pretty good solid numbers of advisor guys. Also, they have partners like Singularity, Civic, Nvidia, Bit4x, ICO Crowd, and stuff like that. That's it for the video, guys. Just grab some UBEX tokens, guys. This will be huge in near future. This is not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research. If you have any questions regarding this project, there are links in the description, so you can check more about this project, more about the timeline, team, advisors, roadmap, and so on. Also, if you have any questions regarding this project, you can join the Telegram group and engage with the community. Thank you so much for watching this video.
I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely vibe. But they'll never know, cause I'm always on my grind. And I live a lonely life and I'm never getting stressed, cause I gotta stay